Hello everybody, welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. I am Gabby and today I have for you a 10-minute all standing follow along HIIT workout. You won't be needing any equipment for today's workout. You just need yourself. You don't even need a mat. I'm going to do my workout in socks today, but you can choose to wear trainers. If you've never been here before, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new workout. Today is 10 minutes. Each exercise is 45 seconds on, give it everything, followed by a 15-second rest, and then we go straight into the next exercise. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are, and I'll pop the name at the bottom too. Let's get straight into it. First thing we're going to go into a sumo run. Let's go. The feet go out, in, go. So you want to run those feet out, in. So they go tap to the side, tap back in together. Elbows coming towards your waistline, and I want you to give this absolutely everything. You are going to start to get that heart rate nice and high. You're going to start to get into that calorie burning zone. Now give me everything. Commit to your workout with me for the next 10 minutes. Inhale, exhale. Get the oxygen round the body. You want to bend through the knees. I've taken a slight little incline forwards. It's up to you what you do with the upper body. Keep on going, feet go out, in. You've got another 10 more seconds here left to go. Imagine you're popping your feet in and out of a tire. 3, 2, 1. Break there. 15-second breather. Next up, you're going to jump towards the ceiling and then tap down towards the floor. 45 seconds on, again giving it everything. We're going in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. So you jump, lift, tap, jump, tap, reach, tap. So you want to jump right to the ceiling, tap to the floor, and it's so important here. You breathe in, you breathe, exhale away. We go jump, tap down. Keep going, 30 more seconds here, left to go. You can take this slower. If you want it more modified, you can take it faster. You can take that bigger jump. But it's really important that you keep breathing in. 15 seconds, we've got this. Reach, tap, 10 more seconds now. Left to go. You have just 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break there. Next up, we're going elbow to opposite knee. So cross, down, just the one side. And then in the next round, we're gonna go other side. 3, 2, 1, go. Squeeze opposite knee to opposite elbow. Keep the hands behind the head. I want you to give this absolutely everything. Keep breathing, inhale, and we're breathing out. Squeeze. This is really great as well for your obliques, because as you twist the knee to the elbow, it'll really get into your stomach. Great one for toning the waist and burning calories. Keep going. I know it is tough. Trust me, I'm burning too. Keep going. 15 more seconds left to go. Really crunching through the waist, making sure your supporting leg here is nice and bent. Don't roll it in. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break there. 15-second breather. Next up, you go in switch jumps. So you just switch. That's all you're doing as fast as you possibly can. Keep those elbows hooked in. We're going in 3, in 2, in 1, go. So switch jumps. So you want the body off the floor, change legs, switch. A little bit like you're doing the Running Man really badly at a disco. Everyone's looking at you like, what dance move are you doing? Bending the knees, powering through the legs, switch. Can you take it a little bit faster? Get that heart rate higher. The higher you get your heart rate, the more calories you're gonna burn, the more you're gonna get into that calorie burning zone, and the quicker you are gonna achieve your dream body. So push through it. Keep going, we've got 10 more seconds here. In, exhale away. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break there. Next up, we've got some twist jumps. So we should really use the arms in this one. Twist the body, and jump through it. We're going in just 3, in 2, 1, go. So I want you to squeeze your inner thighs together. Every time you twist, Bend through the knees, wring out the waistline like it is a wet cloth. You're wringing out all that water. You're bouncing through this movement. You're breathing in and breathing out, exhale away. After you've completed this one, you are halfway through. You have this. Twist, twist, twist. Keep going. We've got this. Just another 12 more seconds. Keep going. I'm burning 2. You've got 5, 4. Breather in 3, 2, 1. Break there. My mouth's going for it. In 10 seconds, we're going to go back into the sumo run. So we're going to go for sumo runs in another 6 more seconds. Keep breathing in and out. 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Go, sumo runs. Out, out, in, out, out, in. So again, it's like you're jogging your feet inside the tire, outside the tire, inside the tire, outside the tire. Bend through those knees. Keep on going. How fast can you go? How high can we get that heart rate? This is your HIIT workout with me today. Commit to it. We are going to change your body. We're going to get you that body that you've always dreamed of. Keep going out, out, in, out, out, in. It's like we do a little dance. 15 more seconds here. Left to go. And then we're going to go back into that reach and tap the floor. Keep going. You have another 6 more seconds. Here, left to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break there. 15-second breather. And we're going to reach the ceiling, tap down to the floor. Keep pushing through this. We have it. We're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Reach, tap, reach, tap. So you're just pushing up through the feet, tapping down to the floor. Pushing up, tapping down. This is when the lactic acid will start to build through those legs, through your quads. But you've got it. 30 more seconds here. Left to go. I know it's tough, but I'm gonna get you through this. Deep breaths in, deep breath exhale. I may need to stop talking because it's burning so much. Keep on going. We've got this. 13, just 13, and then we're going opposite elbow to knee, other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break there. Now we're going to go opposite side of that knee to elbow, tap to the floor. This knee, it must bend to protect the knee joint. We're going in 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Maybe try and breathe in, exhale and tap. Keep pushing through. We have this. I want that heart rate to be high. I want you sweating. I want you to be giving me everything. That is the only way you're gonna get that dream body. Keep on going, we're in this together. You have another 15 more seconds left to go. Twisting right over. Giving yourself that little oblique crunch. Getting the definition for your waist that you want. We've got another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15-second breather. Now we're going into your switch jumps. So I'm gonna go this way this time. Switch, switch. Change the feet. 2, 1, go. My mat has gone absolutely everywhere. Don't worry, you don't really need a mat for this workout. Bend the knees, elbows to waistline. Are you sweating yet? I definitely am. 30 more seconds. Can we maybe go a little bit faster? Switch, 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 switch. Keep on going. 20 more seconds. We've got this. Don't hold the breath. Breathe through the burn. 15 more seconds. How many calories can you burn today? How much fat can we melt together? You've got another 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last thing, twist jumps. Let's do a little pace, spin out breath. Next up, twist jumps. So you're going back into that move where you twist the body, twist the arms. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, everyone, last thing. So I want you to wring out that waistline, twist the hips side to side, maybe close the eyes. If it's burning, but don't fall over. 30 more seconds left to give you everything. Arms are flinging side to side, inner thighs squeeze together, the toes to go over, 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 and hips twist. Whatever you are doing, just move with me for final 15. Woo. We have it. Twist those arms. 10, 9, 8. You've got this. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Nice deep breath in. Nice deep breath. Exhale. Again in. Exhale. And well done in your 10-minute all standing HIIT. That was tough. If you want another workout to team with this, maybe you want a booty workout, arm workout, ab workout, head back to my homepage and team this with something else. Drop me a comment down below, let me know how much you loved the workout, and if you've got any feedback or suggestions, also drop that down there. Hit the subscribe button. See you again soon. Bye.